Guys, yesterday was brutal. Check this out. A muddy mess even with the mud guard there. I just ate some kålskål hanging out with Yes. Or sorry. I just ate some kålskål hanging out with Moss. Saying goodbye, or not goodbye, saying good morning to some of the people here. I'm just chilling out here. I think I'm gonna do a bit of Tetris in my backpack. See if I can't figure out a different way to stack up things in there, get more space in there. I also want to see if I can't move the stuff from this dry bag, like all of it, into the backpack. Just see, because I think I can handle an even heavier backpack, but it's probably a little more difficult to transport the electric unicycle with a giant bag strapped on top of it. I'm also thinking, like, when I gotta get it inside the tent and out of the tent, like, I can't really have that thing attached, so I would constantly have to attach it and detach it. Also, when I have to scale multiple flights of stairs, like when I gotta go to my cousin's, yeah, it would just be a lot smarter to have everything inside the backpack. Or at least mostly everything. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Find a better solution than my current one. But I'm really loving my titanium bottle. It's great. I like it. It's 1,050 milliliters. Yeah, there you go. And I'm also loving this thing. It's kind of smaller than I thought, but I guess you don't really need a spatula to be big. A titanium spatula. Damn. I don't really know about this piece. What it's for, I think. You gotta put it down here, like so. Boom. It weighs basically nothing. And it's antifungal, antibacterial. It's great. Packs down very small. Just replacing all my plastic with titanium. Guys, I just keep eating this kålskål all day. It's amazing. Danish spring, Danish summer, that's what it tastes like. Just good weather. Sun. Yellow. Dandelions. Check it out, guys. I changed my pedals. I kept a 7-degree toe insert, but I switched the 4-degree heel insert with a 0-degree flat one. Because my muscles were kind of straining. My calf muscles were straining a lot yesterday. And it was because of the forward ankle. I think this will be better. But I can't screw these studs further down. So I don't really know. I think I'd want them lower. Like over here. But I don't know. Maybe it'll be fine. Check out this delicious meal. No gravy. Well, there's this mushroom sauce I'm gonna try out. But there's soy sauce, of course. Because plain rice cooked right with anything like vegetables or meat and soy sauce is just great. You just gotta make that rice perfect.